This is my bike 2017 model Discover 125. Loosen and remove both the nut flange which is positioned at engine front face side. Go to right side rear end of the bike and remove the bolt flange and nut flange. Damn, it fell down. Now I have taken out the silencer and put it on bike cover. Let's check how much carbon it has deposited since 17,000 kilometers. Take a cloth rag and with finger slide inside the silencer. Use a cable like clutch or brake surrounded with cloth, then push it inside the silencer and clean the carbon. Coming to engine cylinder part, take a screwdriver and scratch it inside the block. As you can see the thick carbon deposit falling down as I go on scratching. Now it's clean and good. Final step is to fix back the silencer assembly back to the bike. It's no big deal, just fix it as you removed with the nut flange at front side and bolt flange at rear end side. Check if it is tight or not at both the ends. This completes our cleaning procedure. Happy riding!